Meaning of heuristics.
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 Heuristics. Heuristics refers to problem-solving strategies or techniques that may not always guarantee a perfect solution but are pragmatic and efficient in finding solutions. These problem-solving strategies are often based on experience, intuition, and common sense, rather than formal reasoning. Heuristics can be useful in situations where the time and resources required for a systematic analysis are not available. However, they may lead to errors or biases due to oversimplification or reliance on assumptions. Overall, heuristics can provide practical and effective solutions, but they should be used with caution and their limitations should be taken into account.